So now I am discussing here chapter number 1, basic concept of chemistry. To actually see, in up to 10th standard only 5 chapters are given in your science related textbook, but from this year here means total number of chapters are 14, and it will be further divided into 3 parts: organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. So now in chapter number 1, all basic fundamental which is required to explain whole concept of chemistry, it is given. So what is chemistry? So chemistry is branch of science which we are discussing with the help of atom, element and molecule. Again I am repeating, what is chemistry? So chemistry is branch of science which we are discussing with the help of atom, element and molecule. And now it means in another way we can say that matter means material which will occupy mass and volume. So what is matter? So matter means material which will occupy mass as well as we can say that here means volume. Clear? So now to explain whole concept of matter, here we are discussing atom. The atom is smallest part of matter which cannot be further divided, and it is highly unstable, and to become stable the two same atom will combine, and after combining here whatever new thing will come, it is nothing but it is normally known as element. And in case of element, two same atom will join with each other, and after element molecule will come. In case of molecule, more than two either same or different type of atom will join with each other. Suppose if more than two same atom will join, so this is normally known as homomolecular species. Clear? Homomolecular as well as heteromolecular. So for example, homomolecular species is O3. O3 is homomolecular and O2 is element, and single oxygen is normally known as atom. So now in case of heteromolecular species, here water, then after methane and ammonia will come. So in case of chemistry, so many different type of branches are there. With the help of this type of branch, generally our lifestyle will be, we can say that, easy. So which type of things we are discussing here? So that type of thing will be given in chapter number 1. Here first of all, this is definition. So chemistry deals with the composition, structure and property of matter. So what is composition? It means in any material, which type of materials are there. It means which type of atom, element and molecule will be there, and how they will combine with each other, and after combining what is its physical states of matter, and what is we can say that nature. So that type of thing will be discussed here. In case of chemistry, so what is we can say that basic constituent of any material. Here we can say that atom as well as molecule. Atom as well as molecule. Up to 10th standard, see in science definition of matter, atom, element and molecule will be given. So in case of chemistry, here so many branches are there. So main branches are, here means organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and then after we can say that physical chemistry. So this is 3 main branches of chemistry, and other applied branches are also there, which is normally known as analytical chemistry, and other that type of other branches are not too much important. That's why here we will discuss only organic, inorganic and then after physical chemistry. So chapter number 1 hai, this is part of physical chemistry. So what is physical chemistry? So physical chemistry matlab this is branch of science in which we are discussing here nature of material, temperature, amount, physical state, boiling point, melting point, ये सब physical chemistry में आता है. Then second आता है inorganic chemistry. तो inorganic chemistry मतलब all type of element which will not include carbon, उसको हम लोग inorganic बोलते हैं. And inorganic is related with respect to non-living thing. While in case of organic, so this is related with respect to living thing, which will include carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur and all that. So now in our life, what is importance of chemistry? The importance of chemistry is, see, the science is subdivided into various disciplines, that is chemistry, physics, biology and geology. But here we will discuss only chemistry. तो bio अलग है, physics अलग है, geology अलग होता है. So what is role of chemistry in our life? Here different diverse areas are there. So which type of diverse area? So here weather pattern, functioning of brain and operation of computer. Here which type of diverse area? So weather pattern, functioning of brain and operation of computer. So this is related with respect to chemistry. Now second one, chemical industries. Do you know what is chemical industries? The chemical industry means where manufacturing of fertilizer. So what is fertilizer? Which increases fertility of soil, उसको बोलते हैं fertilizer. Then alkalis means basic material, then acid, then salt, dyes का मतलब color, polymer का मतलब plastic, then drugs, drugs मतलब tablet which we are using, then soap है ना, detergent, metal, alloy and other inorganic chemical. So including new material contribute in big way to the national economy. See, after formation of this type of material, we are selling it, and on the basis of that type of selling phenomenon, our economical strength will increases. तो ये सब चीज़ें हम लोग बनाते हैं जो अपनी कंट्री में भी यूज होता है, दूसरी कंट्री में भी जाता है. That's why here means economical word will be there. Now third importance, it plays an important role in meeting human needs. Human needs for food है, health care है, product and other material aim at improving quality of life. तो which type of materials are included here? तो fertilizer आएगा, insecticide आएगा, herbicides आएगा. So with the help of fertilizer, insecticide and herbicides, our human needs will be, we can say that, improve. So these are first of all three important area. Then fourth one, now with the help of chemistry, we are preparing so many life-saving drug. तो लाइफ सेविंग ड्रग में क्या आता है? सिस्प्लेटिन आएगा, टेक्सोल आता है, AZT. सिस्प्लेटिन, टेक्सोल एंड AZT. तो सिस्प्लेटिन एंड टेक्सोल we are using in case of cancer therapy, while AZT we are using in case of AIDS. AZT, the full form of AZT is azithromycin. Clear? So whatever ingredient we require for formation of this type of tablet, it may be generated either naturally or we can say that artificially. Clear? Now next one, with a better understanding of chemical principle, it has now become possible to design and synthesize new material having कौन सा new material जिसके अंदर specific magnetic property हो, electric है, optical property है ना, which leads to the production of superconducting ceramic है, conducting polymer है, optical fiber है and large scale miniaturization of solid state devices. मतलब with the help of chemistry, जैसे देखो for example जो लोग लेंस पहनते हैं तो वो लेंस भी किससे बनता है? तो with the help of one polymeric material which is normally known as PMMA. उसके बाद देखो आपकी कार है, टॉयज है, उसमें so many times we are observing glass related material. तो that original glass का जो weight होता है वो ज़्यादा होता है, but whatever glass we are forming with the help of chemistry, it is lighter in weight. फिर optical fiber आता है, तो so many things है ना can be developed with the help of basic concept of chemistry. And you know nowadays so many environmental problems are also there. The environmental problem can be also nullified or degraded with the help of chemistry. Degrade मतलब to stop होता है. Then next one, safer alternative to environmental hazardous. The environmental hazardous में कौन आएगा? CFCS. Full form of CFCS is chlorofluorocarbons. Here means chlorofluorocarbon responsible for ozone depletion. आपने पहले पढ़ा हुआ है. Stratosphere have been successfully synthesized. However, many environmental problems continue to be matters to grave concern to the chemist. So one such problem is management of greenhouse gases. So nowadays you know what is happening in case of greenhouse gases. So if amount of methane and CO2 will increases, then due to global warming, atmospheric temperature will increase. So which will again not better for our health as well as atmosphere. Then understanding of biochemical process What is biochemical process? So here, to generate or to destroy any material, we are using either we can say that enzyme or catalyst. The enzyme is biologically generated material, while catalyst is chemically generated material. The use of enzyme for large scale production of chemical and synthetic new exotic material are some intellectual challenges for the future generation of chemists. So up till now, so many new products are developed, but in future also, right now, so many problems are there. So that type of problem resolved with the help of chemistry. So these are important of in different type of area, so which is required for our health and all that. Thanks. तो जैसे कि 11th में चैप्टर नंबर 1, तो चैप्टर नंबर 1 में नाउ आई विल डिस्कस हियर टॉपिक नंबर 1.2. Here title is nature of matter. Here title is nature of matter. So first of all, what is matter? So matter means material which will occupy mass and volume. So what is matter? So matter is material which will occupy mass as well as we can say that volume. So this is nothing but it is normally known as matter. And now to explain whole concept of matter, here we are selecting one smallest thing, so that is normally known as atom. Clear? So to explain whole concept of matter, here we are selecting one smallest thing, so this is nothing but it is normally known as atom. The atom is smallest one and this is highly unstable. Therefore, to become stable, here one atom will combine with another atom. So finally here element will form. The stability of element is more as compared to, we can say that, atom. And after formation of element, here molecule will be there. The molecule is further divided into two parts. One we can say that homomolecular species and second one is hetero. In case of homo, more than two same atom will combine. In case of homomolecular species, more than two same atom will combine. Clear? And then after hetero, in case of heteromolecular species, more than two different atom will combine. Here heteromolecular species will form. The best example of atom is O1. Then after it is highly unstable, so two OO atom will combine. Here element will form. So O2 will be there. And in case of homomolecular species, O3 will be there. So this is simple example of atom, element and homomolecular compound. So now let's see what will happen here. So here matter. So what is matter? So anything which has mass and occupies space is known as matter. So anything which has mass and occupies space is known as matter. उसमें एग्जाम्पल में क्या आएगा? बुक्स है, पेन है, पेंसिल है, वाटर एंड एक्सेट्रा. हियर बुक, पेन, pencil, water and etc. So these are example of matter. Now in case of matter, the matter depends upon physical states of material. The matter exists on the basis of physical states of material. The matter will be classified as a solid, liquid or gas. On the basis of physical states, classification of matter can be done, and that is we can say that solid, liquid and gases. So you know, in case of solid, liquid and gas, so they can be separated out on the basis of their arrangement. Means solid, liquid and gas can be separated out on the basis of their internal arrangement. The arrangement of atoms are different in case of solid as well as liquid and as well as gas. In case of solid state, distance between two atoms will be minimum. In case of solid state, difference or distance between two atoms will be minimum. But as compared to solid, in case of liquid, distance will be more. Clear? And similarly, in case of gas, the distance between two atoms will be maximum. Matlab on the basis of distance, we can say that in solid, distance between two atoms will be minimum. लिक्विड में उससे ज़्यादा होता है और गैस में सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. क्लियर? यदि मैं स्टेबिलिटी की बात करूं तो हियर सॉलिड इज मोर स्टेबल देन आफ्टर लिक्विड एंड देन आफ्टर गैस विल कम. रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ गैसियस मटेरियल इज मैक्सिमम देन आफ्टर लिक्विड and then after solid will come. Now on the basis of arrangement of atom, in case of C, solid, liquid and gas, following important characteristics are there. Here in case of solid, the solid have definite volume, definite shape. In case of solid, here volume and shape will be fixed, while in case of liquid, here volume is fixed but shape will be not fixed. In case of liquid, volume will be fixed but shape will be not fixed. Here the shape of liquid depends upon shape of container. Shape of liquid depends upon shape of container. If shape of container will change, then shape of liquid material will also changes. In case of liquid, why shape will be not fixed? तो उसका भी reason है. Because in liquid, bond breaking and bond formation phenomenon will take place simultaneously. Because in case of liquid, bond breaking and bond formation phenomenon will take place simultaneously. किसके अंदर? लिक्विड में. Therefore, shape of liquid depends upon shape of container. Similarly, gases, in case of gas, have neither definite volume nor definite shape. Here in case of gas, neither definite volume nor definite shape. If we are comparing solid, liquid and gas, then if we are heating, or in another way, we can say that whenever we are supplying some amount of heat or temperature, then solid is converted into liquid and liquid is converted into gas. Whenever we are heating any solid material, then solid is converted into liquid and liquid is converted into gas. So distance between two atoms in case of solid will be minimum. लिक्विड में सॉलिड से ज़्यादा होता है और गैस में मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा. क्लियर हुआ? And whenever we are applying some heat, then ultimately what will happen? In case of solid, distance between two atoms will be minimum. So here distance, if temperature will increase and time will increases, then solid may be converted into liquid and liquid may be converted into gas. So in this way, conversion between solid to liquid and liquid to gas is possible. But see, if we are decreasing temperature, then gaseous material can be converted into liquid. If we are decreasing temperature, then gaseous material can be converted into liquid. So this is possible at normal room temperature. But suppose if you are interested to convert liquid into solid, then here some instrument is required. जैसे अभी water है, water, तो liquid water को solid में convert करना है, तो we are using freeze. Clear? So in this way, conversion between solid, liquid and gaseous material can be understood very easily. Now next part जो आता है, तो at the macroscopic level, देखो, whenever we are doing analysis of any material, then two different type of level is there. One is micro means smallest one, and second one is macro means larger one. So here we are not discussing micro level, but here we are discussing here macroscopic level. That macroscopic level, matter can be classified as mixture or pure substance. At macroscopic level, here matter can be further classified as mixture or we can say that pure substance. So with the help of this flow chart, we can explain here different type of matter. So first of all, matter can be classified mixture as well as pure substance. तो मिक्सचर में क्या होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल शुगर सोल्यूशन है, वाटर है, एयर है, टी है, these are again we can say that means example of mixture. In case of mixture, amount of added material may not be fixed or it may be fixed or not fixed. So that type of thing are included in case of mixture. Now mixture is further divided into two parts. One we can say that homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. देखो होमो का मतलब क्या होता है, ग्रीक लैंग्वेज में समथिंग विल रिमेन सेम, तो होमो मतलब सेम, हेट्रो मतलब डिफरेंट. हियर इन केस ऑफ होमो एज वेल एज हेट्रो, द एग्जांपल ऑफ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर, सी sugar solution with water. So what is homogeneous mixture? If we are dissolving sugar inside water, then sugar will be completely dissolved by water molecule. Sugar will be completely dissolved by water molecule and here no material will remain as such. आपको पता है कि how we can prepare sugar solution. तो homogeneous में during formation of solution, here no solute particle will be unreacted. So this is example of homogeneous mixture. Then second part of mixture is heterogeneous. In case of heterogeneous, different compounds can be observed. During preparation of solution, the different compounds can be observed. For example, salt and sugar है ना? उसके बाद grains and pulses related with respect to some dirt. Pulse है, फिर आपका grains है related with respect to some dirt particle. Clear? वैसे तो देखो homogeneous and heterogeneous can be separated out on the basis of three parameters. One we can say that amount, second one we can say that phase, and third one we can say that color. Homogeneous and heterogeneous can be explained on the basis of three parameters. One we can say that amount, second one we can say that phase, and third one we can say that color. सपोज अभी सपोज आप एक सिंपल एग्जांपल है कि A एंड B इट इज टू रिएक्टेंट. A मैंने 2 ग्राम लिया, B भी मैंने 2 ग्राम लिया, तो दोनों का वेट सेम है. इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर. बट A मैंने 2 ग्राम लिया और B मैंने 10 ग्राम लिया, तो यहाँ पे दोनों का वेट अलग अलग हो गया. इसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अमाउंट. Now it is normally known as heterogeneous mixture. So this is basic definition and suitable example of mixture. Then after homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So this is basic definition as well as example of homogeneous as well as heterogeneous mixture. Now we will take here the second portion, that is pure substance. In case of pure substance, here composition will be fixed. Here composition will be fixed. किसमें? प्योर सब्सटेंस में. देखो यहाँ पे फिक्स कंपोजिशन होता है. एग्जाम्पल्स आर कॉपर है, सिल्वर है, गोल्ड है, वाटर है, ग्लूकोज. इन केस ऑफ वाटर, नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन विल बी फिक्स, दैट इज 2, एंड नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन विल बी 1, दैट इज फिक्स. सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ ग्लूकोज, तो फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज C6. फॉर्मूला of glucose is C6H12O6. Here number of carbon will be always fixed, that is 6. Number of hydrogen is 12 and number of oxygen is 6. So now ये mixture है pure substance. Here separation of pure substance cannot be easily possible. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? अब आता है इसी में, here again 3 parts are there. Element. In case of element, only one type of things are there. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सोडियम है, कॉपर है, सिल्वर है, H2 है, O2. देखो H2, तो यहाँ पे whenever 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम विल कंबाइन तो H2 विल फॉर्म, है ना? ऐसे ही O2 तो whenever one oxygen atom will combine with another oxygen atom, here element will form. So what will happen in case of molecule? In case of molecule, here H and H will combine, O and O will combine, and N will combine. So here we can say that molecule will form. Similarly, what is happening in case of compound? Here more than two different atom will combine. So here we can say that compound will form. An example of compounds are water है, ammonia है, CO2 and other examples are there. Clear? अब next आता है see, तो components of mixture can be separated. तो ये देखो अभी तक मैंने जितना बताया तो only definition and then after characteristics and then after example. Now we will discuss here see separation method. So during separation method two different type of methods are there. One we can say that physical method and second one is chemical method. After formation of any material, here some separation method are. So one we can say that physical separation method, second one is chemical separation method. In case of physical separation method, hand picking method will be there. Then after filtration, आपकी मम्मी जो चाय बना के फिल्टर करती हैं उसको filtration बोलते हैं. Then crystallization, अभी आपको आगे आएगा. Formation of crystal is normally known as crystallization. And then after distillation, ये सब अभी 11th में आएगा. Water को आपको boil करने का मतलब purification of water can be done with the help of distillation method. So here in case of component of mixture can be separated by using physical method. So which type of physical method? So number one is hand picking method, number two is filtration, number three is crystallization and then after distillation. उसके बाद आपका क्या आता है? तो pure substance cannot be separated by simple physical method. Suppose pure substance है, pure substance. So this type of physical method are not we can say that suitable in case of pure substance. अब देखो ये सब मैंने बताया सेपरेशन मेथड वगैरह. अब आपको एलिमेंट, तो एलिमेंट में क्या आता है? ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल विल कंबाइन एंड दिस पार्टिकल मे बी आइदर एटम और मॉलिक्यूल. क्लियर? हियर ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल विल कंबाइन इन केस ऑफ एलिमेंट, while in case of molecule two or more atom can combine, then here we can say that molecule will form. The example of elements are this one. Examples of molecule, so here O2, H2 and 2 and other examples are there. Similarly in case of compound, here two or more atom of different element will combine. Here different, here we can say that different word is important. Here different word is important. In which condition? Here we can say that compound. Now in water molecule, if I will discuss water molecule, in case of water molecule always one thing will be fixed. In case of water formula is H2O, so number of hydrogen will be 2 and number of oxygen will be 1. Similarly in case of ammonia, formula is NH3, here number of nitrogen will be 1 and hydrogen will be 3. Similarly in case of CO2, the number of carbon and oxygen will be 2. It will be always fixed. It means whenever we are discussing any compound, then here number of included atom will be always fixed. It is not variable. Now next one, the constituent of compound. Constituents of compound cannot be separated into simpler substance by simple physical method. This is one of the most important line. Constituent of a compound cannot be separated into simpler substance by physical method. Clear? Then it can be separated by chemical method. So what is meaning of chemical method? So here we are using some chemical for separation purpose, तो extraction वगैरह. आपने 10th में मेटल, नॉन मेटल वगैरह पढ़ा होगा, तो वही सब इसमें दिया हुआ है. तो फ्रेंड्स, इन केस ऑफ नेचर ऑफ मैटर, मतलब टॉपिक 1.2 की यदि मैं बात करूं, टॉपिक 1.2, तो इन केस ऑफ टॉपिक 1.2 ओनली वन थिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डेफिनेशन, correct definition, then after example, and then after separation technique, nothing else. Thanks.